Hey everyone, my name is Madigan and I'm a Career Education Coordinator at CSU's Career Center. Since the Career Center has gone virtual, I'm going to show you all how you can continue to engage with us both through drop-ins and appointments. I'm going to take you through how to use our drop-in feature, and then my colleague Jenny is going to show you all how you can schedule appointments. So to start, I'm just going to share my screen and then go to our website, which is career.colostate.edu. So once you get here, you can see that we've gone virtual, we have virtual career advising, and drop-ins from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday through Friday. So drop-ins tend to last somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes, whereas appointments tend to last about 45. So drop-ins are a great option if you want someone to look over your resume, or you have a question about how to get started on a job or internship search. Some of those quicker questions. If you have a more in-depth question, you might consider scheduling an appointment. So to access drop-ins, all you have to do is hit this chat with us button down here, enter your name and your email, and then select drop-in advising request, and then click start chatting. And then I recommend you just write something in here like, hi, I'm looking to do a drop-in appointment. And this is staffed by our student ambassadors, so they'll get back to you relatively soon to set you up with a drop-in appointment.
Alrighty, to make an appointment with the Career Center, you're going to go to career.colostate.edu and you'll land on our homepage here. And then you're going to go to the top right where it says Connect One-on-One. You're going to click that. And you're going to scroll down to where you see Handshake and go ahead and click on that. You all already have a Handshake account with your EID. So this screen's going to pop up. You're going to click it and you're going to log in with your credentials. Now, once you're logged in, Handshake's homepage will show up. On this website, you can look at job postings, you can look at employers and that sort of thing. But for this video, we're doing appointments. So we're going to go up to the top right here and click Career Center. And then we're going to click on appointments here on the left. Then we're going to click Schedule an Appointment. Alrighty, I had to switch to a different view. You won't have all the stuff on the left here. It'll still look like this middle part. And it will already have your college, and then it'll also have the option for exploring your options. So what you can do is you can either click on your college. So for example, College of Liberal Arts, Kelsey's the career manager. So you'll click on that. And then you say what type of appointment you'd like. And then it'll pull up any available slots that Kelsey has. And you go ahead and click on it and you fill it all in. Make sure you're putting specifically in this help requested. It's really helpful if you give as much detailed information as you can. And then once you've filled in all of the things, you hit create. And then you should get an automatic email from Handshake saying that your appointment was approved. And then as you get closer to that appointment time, then Kelsey would reach out to you with a link to Zoom to have that meeting with you. And that's it. Now, if you forget when your appointment was, you can come back to Handshake, Career Center, Appointments, and it'll show you all previous appointments that you have down here. And then it will have upcoming appointments here. I don't have any, but if I did, it would show up right here. And that's it. If you're trying to make an appointment with Madigan or I specifically, you either need to click Exploring My Options in Handshake when you're going in to make the appointment instead of choosing your college, or you can just email one of us your availability and we'll find a time for you.